Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So let's move to the video. Today's topic of our video is anemia. So what is anemia? Among the general public, anemia is thought of as a condition where you have lower than normal quantities of blood in your body. This is quite a vague and ambiguous definition for anemia. In order to have a complete understanding of this term, we must take a closer look at its definition. So basically, anemia is defined as a deficiency of either white blood cells, red blood cells, or hemoglobin within the body depending on the age, sex, and attributes of the individual. Now let's move towards the prevalence of anemia. Approximately 30% of the total world's population is dealing with some sort of anemia. According to a study conducted, 61.3% of the women of Pakistan in reproductive age were found to be anemic either mildly, moderately, or severely. As shown in the picture, many red blood cells mean you have normal hemoglobin, while fewer red blood cells mean you have low hemoglobin. It also means you are at the risk by being affected by anemia. Causes of anemia. There is a large list of various factors which cause anemia. Diminished red blood cells, hemoglobin reproduction. This can be due to nutritional deficiencies like iron, vitamin B12 or folate, some chronic diseases like chronic inflammation, cancer, or congenital or acquired bone marrow defects where blood cells are produced, increased destruction of red blood cells. Iron deficiency, vitamin B12 and B9 folate deficiency, decreased red blood cells reproduction, blood loss, red blood cells destruction are also some causes of anemia. Hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia is the term that we use for this condition that can have various predispositions such as malaria, which is quite common in our settings, thalassemia, sickle cell disease, and blood loss. Then the most common but not so obvious cause is that can be either acute, sudden massive blood loss or chronic long-term blood loss. Acute blood loss can be due to accidents, surgery, while chronic blood loss can be due to any cancer in the gut, bloody vomiting, ulcers or tuberculosis, etc. There are many types of anemia, but the most common in the world is iron deficiency anemia, that is IDA. Sadly, that is more concentrated in rural areas because of lack of proper and adequate food supply. Pregnant women of reproductive age suffer from this type of anemia because of the restricted food supply. Signs and symptoms. Anemia can be seen in a number of ways that are difficult to understand and tackle. However, the most common ones are stated below. Most commonly, anemia presents itself as shortness of breath because a Hb deficient or red blood cell deficient body is unable to properly transport oxygen to distant body parts. The body responds to this as shortness of breath and rapid breathing. The skin changes that tell when a person can be anemic are pallor, pale skin, cyanosis, blueness of the fingers, toes, lips, etc. The person may experience increased fatigue. There is an increased tendency to eat edible things such as clay, glass, paper, etc. The fingernails become spooned and thumbed. Tongue and mouth gets sore every now and then. Hair is brittle. The person may feel fatigue and low energy, increased heart rate, shortness of breath, headaches, dizziness, and chest pain. All these signs and symptoms point to this condition that must be treated before it becomes irreversible. So, what is the treatment and prevention of anemia? Anemia is a condition, a sign of some underlying issue. IDA can be treated using iron supplements. Vitamin B12 and folic acid supplements can also do the job. treat any visible or hidden blood loss. If deficiency is severe, transfuse whole blood or packed RBCs. Transplant bone marrow in cases of thalassemia major or anemic due to cancer. Having a balanced and proper diet can prevent a number of ailments including anemia. In addition, a timely diagnosis and effective treatment can prevent further complications. So here it was intro causes, types and prevention or treatment for anemia. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.